How to add the countdown overlay effect like this here, starting with 4, counting down to 1, and you will need to use the materials pre-made video followed with the blend tool on your YouCut video editor app. And of course, as always, make sure you have the latest update, and let's get started. To add this video overlay effect, go into the PIP tool right here. And once you're here, go ahead and tap on the material section. This is going to give you access to different video overlays that are already pre-made. You want to make sure you're in the beginning section, this category here, beginning, and you're going to look for this one right here. It'll have a blue 3. This is part of the latest update, so make sure you have the latest update. And once you have it set to load up on your phone, it is going to appear like this here when you tap on it over the video that you're currently editing. So the first thing I want you to do is, while it is like this here, you will browse over with these tools here and look for the tool that says fill. You're gonna go ahead and select that tool right there. Let me just zoom in a little bit here so you can see what I am talking about. This tool right here, fill. When you tap on that, you'll notice that it is going to fill up the entire video like this here. You'll see the video is gonna be filled up like this here, but you'll notice that it's covering everything. So in order to have this thing not block out everything, let's just say you want to tap on it now like this here, and you'll see these tools appear here once again when you tap on the video, and you're looking for the blend tool, this one right there. And as you tap on that, you're gonna select the one that says filter. This usually gives it a clear background. So by tapping on filter and you press the check mark now, you will notice when you press play, it's gonna appear like this here. And then you can save your video like that, having that countdown as an overlay without blocking what's in the background. Like and sub.